Hey guys, welcome back to another video of part 2. Today I'm in my kitchen because I think you met these guys already. Yep. And they are pretty silly rodents. Like, if you can tell, look at that. Get back. Yeah, he's running. Oh, and he sees food. And he ignores the food, and then he sees food and he looks away. Look at those eyes. Look at it. He's running. Oh, and
do you need the light on?
He's gonna go to look under the bench. And now we're looking under the bench. Okay, Snowflake is behind the bench. He's not even under it. Same as Panda. Now where's Badger? I actually have no clue. Okay, oh, Badger was in there the whole time. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. You did smash the like button and smash the subscribe button. Well, don't smash it or else you'll break whatever you're on. And you'll break, if you have a keyboard, they'll break your keyboard. But hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Peace. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. That's what I've been saying the whole time.